Hello friends, I am Chintan Joshi from Nalanda Vidyalay, Virpur Morbi, and in the subject Business Studies, we are discussing about chapter number 2, Principles of Management, and we are continue with the topic Fayol's Principles of Management. In our earlier discussion, we have completed total 12 principles of management given by Fayol. In our today's discussion, we are going to discuss about principle number 13, initiative, and last principle number 14, spirit the corps. Let we have detailed discussion. Principle number 13, initiative. Basically, initiative means taking the first step with self-motivation. It is thinking out and executing the plan. It is one of the qualities or characteristics of an intelligent person. In the organization, workers should be encouraged to develop and carry out their plans for improvements. Initiative should be encouraged, but it does not mean going against the established practice of the company for the sake of being different. A good company should have an employee suggestion system whereby initiative or suggestions which results in substantial cost or time reduction, and that should be rewarded. Let me simplify initiative principle given by Fayol in our easiest common language. So, in simple meaning, we can say that initiative is all about the taking first step with self-motivation. It is all about to lead, to come ahead with new thoughts, out of thinkings, and to execute that plans. Each and every intelligent person will have lots of characteristics or qualities in their nature where to take leadership, to initiate will one of the characteristic of that intelligent person. If we discuss about the organization structure, each and every employees should be encouraged to carry out their individual thoughts, suggestions, and improvements for the betterment of organizations. Here, Fayol says that it is not all about like that to take initiate means to do something different. It should not be against to the establishment practice of the company. Say for example, Mr. Suresh, a sales executive working in an organization, he always have a ground and clear-cut idea about the market because he is surfing in the market. Being sales executive, he has a depth research work of the market, and he is trying to do some initiative steps. He is trying to give some suggestions toward the marketing strategies to his company for the betterment of that company. But Mr. Sales Executive can only give the suggestions, some creative thought plans for the marketing strategies because he is directly attached to the market, to the real ground, but he cannot change the pricing policy of that company to receive bigger orders from the customers. So initiative doesn't always mean to go against your company's policies or established practice, but it always lead to have some creative thoughts which can be led by the employees, which can be helpful to the organizations, right? So it is all about the initiative. So it is all about the initiative we discussed, and let we have principle number 14, spirit the corps. Management should promote a team spirit of unity and harmony among employees, according to the Fayol. Management should promote teamwork, especially in large organizations, because otherwise objectives would be difficult to realize. It will also result in a loss of coordination. In an organization, a manager should replace I with we in all his conversations with workers to foster team spirit. This will give rise to a spirit of mutual trust and belongingness among team members. It will also minimize the need for using penalties. So let me simplify principle number 14, spirit the corps. This principle says that any management should promote team spirit of unity, harmony, as well as teamwork among the employees. If it is not being done in the organization, it might happen that achievement of targets and common objectives becomes difficult. It will lead to coordinations, loss of coordinations. So it is better to advise for the organization or a company to have always a spirit of teamwork. Next, over here, always managers should keep in the mind that they must use conversation with the workers starting with we, not by I. They should not say that I will do it, I have achieved this, because of me only it is going to be happen, etc., etc. Rather, manager should say that we have completed this, we have achieved the goals, because of us we can do so and so likewise. So whenever we are replacing I with we, employees of that organization becomes motivated. They feel that organization is also of them. The feelings of belongingness creates among the employees, as well as mutual trust of each other, employees as well as employers, can be raised. It also leads for a minimization of using the penalties. So it is all about the spirit the corps. From the previous discussion, it is clear that Fayol's all 14 principles of management are widely applicable to the managerial problems, but with the change of the environment in which business is done, the interpretation of these principles has to be changed. Say for example, according to the scenario of the situations, manager have to apply principle as so. With this we are completing our discussion about principles of management given by Fayol. Before we complete our today's discussion, let me recall about the discussion task of the principles. Guys, on 16th of April, day 1, we have discussed the first 3 principles: division of work, authority and responsibility, as well as discipline. On 17th of April, in session number 2, day 2, we have completed principle number 4, 5 and 6, unity of command, unity of direction, and subordination of individual interest to general interest. On the date 18th of April, session number 3 or day 3, we have completed again 3 principles: principle number 7, 8 and 9, remuneration of employees, centralization and decentralization, and scalar chain. In day 4, session number 4, on the date 20th of April, we have learned about principle number 10, 11 and 12, order, equity and stability of personnel, and at the day end, in the 5th day, date of 20th, today itself, we are discussing about initiative and spirit the corps. Thus, we have classified our 14 principles of syllabus into 5 different days or sessions to have better understanding, in-depth understanding. These 5 days videos are uploaded in the YouTube channel of Business Studies. You can refer likewise. Still, if you have any doubts, you can contact me. Over here, we are completing Fayol's principle of management topic. Thank you.